In today's video, I'm going to show you how to humanize text in Grammarly step by step so you can take any rough, robotic, or overly AI sounding paragraph and make it read more naturally. This is really useful for emails, blog posts, assignments, captions, and anything else where you want your writing to sound smoother and more human. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whatever browser you normally prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type AI Humanizer Grammarly. Then open the first result that appears. This should take you to Grammarly's AI Humanizer page or the main tool page that includes the Humanize option. When the page loads, take a moment to look at the layout. You should see a text box where you can paste your content along with the button labeled Humanize or something very similar. If the page looks a little different, don't worry because Grammarly often updates the design, but the main process stays the same. Now click inside the text box on the page. This is where you'll enter the text you want to rewrite. Copy the text from wherever you have it saved and paste it directly into the box. Make sure you include the full paragraph or section that you want to make sound more natural. If you only want to humanize part of the text, you can paste just that portion instead. After pasting your text, check it one more time to make sure everything came through correctly. Sometimes formatting, spacing, or punctuation can change when you paste content into a web tool, so it's always smart to do a quick review before moving on. Next, click the Humanize button, or the main action button shown on the page. Grammarly will now process your text and rewrite it in a more natural style. Depending on how long your text is and how busy the site is, this may take a few seconds, so give it a moment to finish. Once Grammarly is done, the rewritten version will appear on the screen. Now this part is important. Don't copy it instantly without reading it first. Review the result carefully and compare it with your original text. You want to make sure the meaning is still the same, but the tone sounds more natural, smoother, and easier to read. If the rewritten version feels too different, too formal, or changes your message, you may need to tweak the original text and try again. The goal is not just to make the writing sound human, but also to keep your exact meaning intact. That's why this step matters so much. Once you're happy with the result, copy the final version only if it still says what you mean. Then you can paste it into your document, email, post, or project wherever you need it. And if you want to make the text even better, you can run through it one more time for small edits, grammar fixes, and tone adjustments. A quick tip here, Grammarly's AI Humanizer can be really helpful, but it should always be used with your own judgment. It's best to treat it as a writing assistant, not a replacement for reviewing your work. Always read the final output yourself so you know it matches your goal, and that's it. That's how to humanize text in Grammarly in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.